Today, we're taking you inside of one of Murrells Inlet's most unique and affordable 55 and up communities, where you can actually get privacy and amenities. Welcome to Live Oaks.
If you've been searching for a place that gives you room to spread out, but still keeps you close to the coast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one.
Live Oaks is located right here in Murrells Inlet, which is known as the seafood capital of South Carolina. And it's one of the most laid-back, local favorite areas here along the Grand Strand.
And the location here is hard to beat. You're just minutes from the Marshwalk, waterfront dining, grocery stores, golf courses, and more.
And the best part is, you are less than 5 minutes from Huntington Beach State Park, which is absolutely the best place to spend the day at the beach.
Plus, Myrtle Beach International Airport is only about 20 to 25 minutes away, making this a super convenient spot for both full-time living and out-of-town visitors.
The public schools assigned to this community are Waccamaw Elementary School, Waccamaw Middle School, and Waccamaw High School.
Now, one of the things that really sets Live Oaks apart is the lifestyle.
You're right. This is a 55 and up active adult community. So it's designed for social living, easy connection with your neighbors, and low maintenance lifestyle.
Residents here enjoy access to a community clubhouse, an outdoor pool, and even an indoor hot tub, which is a great bonus year round.
It's the kind of neighborhood where neighbors actually know each other, and it's just a relaxed, welcoming feel throughout.
Now, let's talk about pricing and what you can typically expect in Live Oaks.
Wait, before we get into that, have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, make sure to do so and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. The homes here are manufactured homes on deeded land, which helps keep the pricing more affordable compared to the traditional single-family homes, especially in Murrells Inlet and this close to the coast.
Most of the lots range from 0.14 to 0.3 acres, with a few larger ones coming up from time to time.
And that makes this community especially appealing for buyers looking to downsize, retire, or just simplify without actually giving up too much space.
Most homes are between 1,000 to 2,000 heated square feet in size and were built from the 80s to the early 2000s. They come with 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms.
In the past year, homes here have sold for an average of $213,000, which was 94.4% of the list price on average. This is a community where the homes do not come on the market often, but when they do, they sell quicker than the average for our area.
Live Oaks is a great fit for buyers looking for a 55-plus lifestyle, anyone wanting low-maintenance living with amenities, and buyers who still want yard space, privacy, or workshop potential.
You're right, Frank. It really hits that sweet spot of affordability, location, and lifestyle.
Now, we're going to take you inside one of the homes here in Live Oaks, so you can see exactly what this lifestyle looks like.
And this one is a standout because it has features that you almost never see in this community or many communities. It has a huge yard and 2 workshops with electricity.
And the best part is this home is currently for sale.
This is one of those properties where you're not just buying a home, you're getting space, flexibility, and lifestyle.
And in the 55 and better community this close to the coast, that combination is hard to find. We will put a link to more information in the description below. Whether you're downsizing, relocating, or looking for a low-maintenance coastal lifestyle, this is definitely a community to consider.
So, if you're interested in this community or any others here along the Grand Strand, Frank and I would love to help you find the right fit.
Make sure you hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe because we post community tours just like this one, plus other videos you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here on Carolina Crafted Homes.